welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the pros and cons to faux goddess locks, bohemian locks, whatever you want to call them. I just want to do a quick review on this so I can give you advice on if you should get these or not, and just give you a heads up to some of the things I experienced before you get them installed. So let's just get right into the video. I'm gonna start out with the pros because I just want to start out with the good first. So the first pro to faux locks is that they are so easy to install. You guys, I am not a hairstylist, but these are so easy to install. They take a while, but they're easy to install. And if you want to check out my video on how I install these faux locks, please click here. So, and the hair itself is supposed to be messy, so you don't have to be worried about being perfect about the install, because the hair is supposed to look messy, and that's what makes the style cute. The first con is that this hair, it's itchy. I'm telling you guys, like, I have a very sensitive scalp and I have sensitive skin. These things itch so bad, and that's why I just mostly have them up, but goodness, they are so itchy. And I know you can do like a vinegar rinse on the Marley hair, but honestly, who has time to do that? I don't want to do that. Yeah, so this hair is like really itchy and it's very annoying. So that's just a heads up for you. If you have sensitive skin or sensitive scalp, they will be itchy. Pro number 2. These are super cute and easy to style. Like, you can have them up, have them down, put them in a bun. They're just super easy to style, super easy to manipulate, and they look like effortless and cute, but that itchiness just gets me. I can't, no matter how cute a hairstyle is, even if it's a wig, if it's, you know, any type of style, individual style, whatever, if my hair is itching, it ain't worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and link my sister-in-law's video up here. She shows you how you can style these, and let me tell you, those styles are super duper cute. Con number 2. These faux locks, when you first install them, they're gonna have some tension to them, like at your scalp. It may have just been me doing them too tight, because when I see other people do them, not everybody has tension, but for me, when you wrap the lock during the install process, it can create some tension, and you're not gonna be able to put your hair up in a bun comfortably for like the first 2 or 3 days. You gotta kind of let them settle in, which was different from when I had the knotless braids, because those were like tension free from the start. So these definitely have some tension in the beginning, just so you are aware of that. Pro number 3 is that if you can, my daughter's just getting everything. If you can have these in long enough and they're not itching you and driving you crazy, then when you get new growth, when you get new growth, you can actually just rewrap the faux lock. You don't have to do a whole new install, which is really good because it can save you some money. So what happens is when your hair grows out, you can just take a piece of Marley hair or spring twist hair and spring twist hair and just wrap the roots, so that way it looks like a fresh hairstyle, because the dreads are gonna get more matted over time, which is what you want because that's the look you're going for. So while this is getting more matted, it's starting to look more realistic, and then you can just rewrap the root and then you have a fresh hairstyle again. But me, I can't handle itchy hair. I can't. So I'm probably just going to be taking these out soon. But overall, it's a really cute hairstyle, and I will probably get them again. But while I have them installed, it'll probably mostly just be wearing them up in a bun, especially when I'm going to work, going into the office, and I want to look professional. I'll probably just be wearing them up. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what else you guys want to see from me. I anticipate trying new hairstyles and just experimenting with different hairstyles, and of course showing you guys how I do them. And if you are into that kind of stuff, please remember to subscribe and you won't regret it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.